Everybody, meet Bob. His name is now Bob. But anyways, Bob has a problem. Bob suffers from a severe case of foam rot. So today, we're going to be swapping out these, hopefully, with these. It's not going to look as stylish, and I think that subwoofer still has life left in it, and if it doesn't, I've got a replacement. This thing, but if need be, this thing. So, keep that over there. But first things first, everybody say bye to Bob for now. Let's get straight into it, and open them right up, shall we? Oh, it's self-contained too. Alright. I'm going to check on the condition of that sub just in case. But honestly, first, you're going to need to take these wires off. Might. Yeah, look at that. Oh dear. How is that even still working? No spider or anything like that. Oh, we're in for a treat with this one, boys. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to fix this. Oh yeah, this explains why it wasn't working right. Oh yeah. Oh, that's really bad. Okay, so now that we're done with, oh yeah, sub wires. I'm actually, instead of unhooking the sub, because it's mounted straight to the board, that's so dumb. I'm actually going to unscrew the subwoofer, take it out, see how much life that thing has left in it, and if whether I need to replace it or not. Oh, that's a nice surprise. It's rubber. And it feels okay, so I'd say that sub's good to stay in there. It's a really nice chunky sub. So, that sub can stay, but the sats have to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and screw this sub back in, and then we'll get to work on installing the new drivers for the surround sound for left and right. Because this, that's not happening. Will they even close with it in there? Yeah. Maybe. I might just have to stick it in there somehow and then go from there, because I don't see me being able to screw this in as an opportunity, as a possibility. Alright, and after the worst soldering job on the planet is finished, we gotta warm up the hot glue gun. Let's go ahead and get all lined up for that. Ooh. Okay, we gotta try that again. Let's all up on the surround, so. Oh yeah. We got it. We go. Time for the next one. Now let's check. Does it fit? I think we can just kinda Yeah. Yup. Yeah, the screws are really gonna have to hold that together. Yeah, so we didn't need any of those. We do need these. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna screw this back in. Alright, now that we've got it back together again, you can see there's a visible difference. Those, you can see the drivers aren't, you know, reflective in there anymore, but honestly, it's a pretty good trade-off. Feels a little bit heavier, just like the slightest bit. Oh, that wasn't fully closed. Now it's back together. And yeah, Bob's all happy again because he's not leaking air like... I'm not going to make that joke. But anyways, let's ask the final question. Does it work now? Well, it worked at first, but does it work better now? So it just sounds terrible, but better. So, okay, enough. So it still sounds terrible, but I mean, it sounds better than it did. So I'd call that a success, honestly. That's a win. So yeah, Bob is happy again. And I'm happy, because I fixed this thing myself. Which is not something I get to say very often. Also, the coolest thing about this, it does have a headphone jack, and it has a line out / subwoofer, which is super cool. Even though it's got a subwoofer built in. And then, you know, left and right. So I genuinely like this thing. This thing is a very cool little, just all-in-one system. I'm definitely going to be keeping this on my desk, maybe using it as some decoration for future videos, something like that. And, you know, I'm also going to use it every now and then, so. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.